Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Don't be afraid, please.
Meow,
It's
meow,
normal.
meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Is that Dr. John? What happened, Dr. John?
Dr. John, please hurry up.
I don't know how she knew you were here.
If you don't come right now, my mother will die.
Dr. John, how did you know that I was sick?
It was your little daughter who told me.
But my daughter died 5 years ago.
Your daughter in the red cloak came to the driver's house and told me, but I don't know how she knew I was there.
Open that closet over there and look inside.
Meow, 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 meow.